Hello, I'm Jack at Downs Autos, and this is another Ford Ranger Wildtrak custom design that's currently in stock. So this particular range is in the black. As you can see, it's got the Raptor kit on it, and I'm going to show you that in a bit more detail as we go around the vehicle. It's also got some nice factory fit options. It's got the Ford power roller shutter on the rear, and it's also got the full tow bar. And I'll show you those again in some detail when we go around the rear of the vehicle. So let's start off with the Raptor kit. So with this particular vehicle, you've got the Ford lettering on the front grille. You've got the lower bumper bar down below. It's got the blackout on the front bumper as well, so it gives that, ties in quite nicely being all black. This one gets the 20-inch alloys with all-terrain tyres on there, brand new tyres, unmarked alloys. It's got the gloss black wheel arch kit on it, so that matches in really nicely on the black vehicle. It's the 2-litre twin turbo, so it's 213 brake horsepower. It's a 72 plate, so it's a 213, as I said. It's got the leather interior with the Wildtrak embossing on the seats, very car-like inside, so it's got the touchscreen navigation, heated seats, etc. And I'll show you those when we go inside the vehicle. This particular one also gets the LED rear lights. So at the moment they're on, and you can see what they look like. When they're off, they've got the sort of stealth look again. When you've got that with the black vehicle and the stealth lights, they just match in quite well. We can also debadge this vehicle. So at the moment you've got the Ranger writing on the back. We can get rid of that if you want it totally black on the rear. So rear tow bar I mentioned, that's the power roller shutter. So there's no handle on the back because it's operated three ways. One is the button there, so it power opens. You can push the button again and it stops. Push the button a third time and it will power close. That's one way. You've got a button on the key fob as well to operate it, and also a button next to the steering wheel. Let's keep going around. Rear windows have got slight privacy on the Wildtrak vehicle, just give you a little bit of privacy. You've got children belongings in the rear. Top of the windows get the wind deflectors, again to give the vehicle a nice sleek look. My favourite view on these Rangers is the front end view. I think they've got really nice stance and really nice presence on the road. Right, let's go inside. Actually, before going inside, you've got front and rear parking sensors. You've got a rear camera. You've got the LED daytime running lights on this vehicle. Keyless go, key can stay in your pocket, vehicle unlocks. You've got electric adjustment on the driver's seat. Auto lights, that's the button for the power roller shutter on the rear. Power folding wing mirrors. Cruise control and speed limiter. If I jump inside, mileage on this particular Ranger is 10,538, and with the Wildtrak model you get some driver assist features, some safety features, which are lane keeping, so we can change the mode of the lane keeping, pre-collision, speed limiter. Traffic sign tells you the speed limit in the road you're in, which is quite a nice function to have. Or you can have your main display. On the left you've got your navigation, entertainment or phone. That's the map, sat nav. That's your rear camera. You've also got front and rear sensors, and then, as I said, it's touchscreen, so we can go through the menus and you can see things like your sources. You've got DAB radio as well as your Bluetooth streaming. On these Rangers, if you connect your Apple, you get Apple CarPlay, or the Samsung, you get the Samsung, what's it called? I forgot what it's called now. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, that's it. You get Android Auto if you connect your Samsung. And then we can change ambient lighting. And there's other settings like light delays, etc., that you can change. Here you have heated seats, USB points, climate control, so we can set the temperature, sport mode, auto mode, two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive, and you can change the gears yourself. Let's just show you interior condition briefly. You get the 3-pin plug socket in the centre, armrest and cup holder there, isofix points if you want to fit child seats. So that's the Ford Ranger in black. I have black and grey Rangers currently available, so please feel free to get in touch. I'm Jack at Downs Autos. Thank you very much for watching the video.